Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raglan sleeved t-shirt which will fit a number of different male dolls, including but not limited to Spin Master Jake dolls, some Ken dolls, Ever After High male dolls, and a number of other dolls in this size range. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. Sew one of the sleeves to one of the backs. Sew the shirt front to the other side of the sleeve. I'm using a back stitch. Attach the second sleeve to the shirt front. Attach the other back to the second shirt sleeve. Use a double fold hem at the ends of both sleeves as shown in this video clip. So I'm just folding once and then folding a second time, and again I'll be using my whip stitch to hem. Hem both sleeves. I used a double fold hem with a whip stitch. Fold the sleeves in half. Sew from the sleeve hem to the underarm and then to the bottom of the shirt. Do that with both sides of the garment. And now you're ready to begin hemming all the way around except for the collar. Use a double fold hem again. Hem the back closure all along the base and up the other back closure. Invert the garment as shown here. So I'm just flipping those sleeves inside out. If you need help with this, a chopstick can be very handy. Sew the bias style collar to the front of the shirt. It should look like this from the front. And here it is from the inside. Double fold the collar and whip stitch it to the inside of the shirt. So first you want to fold those raw edges in a little bit and then fold it down a couple of times. You want it real small because after all this is for a 1/6 scale doll. And then I'm going to begin whip stitching, and I whip stitch until I've got the whole thing down. Add some snaps to the back and you're ready to try it on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns for making doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Hey, did you know that you could design your own doll pants patterns from scratch with just a limited amount of sewing knowledge? Pattern design is made simple by connecting your doll's measurements with a template I give you during my course. I'm Shelley Wood, the doll clothing designer. I own Shelley Wood LLC and the website shelleywood.com. In my Creative Spark online learning course on doll pants design, I'll teach you the basic fundamentals of pattern design, like how do seam allowances work, before we move on to work on designing our own leggings, jeans, fly front pants, and even overalls. So please join me. I would love to see you on the Creative Spark online learning platform. Come see what we offer. Again, I'm Shelley Wood, one of the instructors.